Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley, and I know I look a little bit crazy right now with this wig and everything on me right now, but I am actually getting ready to show you guys another makeup tutorial, which is part of the 31 Days of Samhain, and as you may have guessed, it is the Bride of Chucky. So, I actually finally got the actual costume today, and everything like that, so yeah, that's what I have on right now, and I'm getting ready to show you guys a makeup tutorial, and of course afterwards I will show you guys the entire ensemble and everything like that. So if you want to learn, I know there's a lot of tutorials here on YouTube, showing you how to, recreate her makeup look and everything like that, but this is gonna be just a little bit different because I don't do all the extra glitz and glam and stuff like that. So yeah, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be taking is foundation. This is the Luminous Weightless Liquid Foundation by Rare Beauty in the shade 210N. And I'm just gonna be grab an old blush. Now I'm gonna be grabbing an old blush brush. Alright, next I'm going to be taking some eyeshadow. Now all of this that I'm using is from a kit that I bought at Spirit Halloween. And I'm going to try and do these two shades. Okay, first of all, these two colors don't even have a shade color, but it's black and like a plum color. So I'm going to be using those two, if I can find a brush. First of all, I'm going to be going in with this plum shade. Yeah, I was going to use primer, which is probably what you should be doing first before you apply any makeup. So, wow, I'm already messing this crap up already. Oh well. So, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Soothing Face Primer infused with aloe. And I'm going to be using that on my lid. Do a few pumps of that. There's my ring finger.
Maybe the other bottle of alcohol.
Alright, now we can go on to the eyeshadow. So like I said, I'm going to be taking this plum color right here. Yeah, right here. And I'm going to be applying that on my lid. Actually, the crease. Whoa, that's dark. Hello. Since when did this eyeshadow become dark? The next shade I'm going to be taking is, of course, for the lids, I'm going to be taking a black. That's going to be for the lids. I'm actually starting to like this look already. So it's kind of like a gothic alternative look so far. And my dog's barking, apparently. Oop. I want to block you. My dog is barking. I will be right back. My dog is barking. So apparently my dog was barking, so I had to let her out. Next thing I'm going to be taking is blush. I'm just going to be using my fingers to pull that out. Probably be a little bit easier. Add a brush, but oh well. Alright, next for the lips, I'm going to, again, I'm going to be taking this. I wish they came with shade names. That's the only thing I wished. Is this like plum lip cream thing? Wow. Okay, I look like her already. Goodness gracious, Lord have mercy. Alright. Let's go ahead and kind of block that a little bit. Now I do have a temporary tattoo right here. Oh wow, okay, hello. Okay, that's cool. I do have a temporary tattoo right here, but I'm not going to be using that at the moment. And of course she has a beauty mark right about around in here, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And of course there's like nail polish, and of course there's nail polish in here, but I'm not going to use that right now. So, this is the completed look for the Bride of Chucky. Now, she does have thinner eyebrows than I do, but I decided to keep my natural looking eyebrows and everything like that. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show the full costume that I got at Spirit Halloween. So, stick around. Okay, so this is the full costume that I got at Spirit. And all of that good stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. It is almost Samhain. I can't wait. I still don't know who I'm gonna be yet. I know I haven't kept up to date with, the 31 days and everything like that. I've been super busy, been focusing on my life and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.